Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you today how I would add color to this. This is a font that I absolutely love. It's called Sports Champs Basketball. There's all of the different sports. I'll link that in the video description. So let me just show you how I would do this. Okay, so up here on the upper left, click there to turn off your grid. And now I'm going to screenshot this, okay? So I am on a Windows PC. When I screenshot, I use a tool called the snipping tool. Obviously, there's a different snipping tool or a different screenshot tool in Mac, a different screenshot. You just take regular screenshot on mobile. So on Windows PC, you would just go to your start menu, type in snipping tool, and then it's going to come up. Click that. Mine's already up. And now I'm going to, I already copied it once. This is actually my second take on this video, so that's why that's already there. But I would go to new in the upper left-hand corner, draw a box around it, and it's going to bring into this, and then you're going to save it. And I will save it as score 1. Save. Close that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go to upload, upload image, browse, and I'm going to go to score 1, open. And now what I do, I'm going to go to complex and then clean the outside and then clean just the very insides of the letters. Okay, so you're not cleaning up any of this part. You're only cleaning up these very, very insides of the letters. And I'll show you why that is in a second. So what that's going to do, now I'm going to click apply and continue. And now that's going to give me this, okay? So I want the cut image, and I'm going to click upload. And now I'm going to select it, click it to select it, click add to canvas down here bottom right. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I want it to be the same size as this one. So let me make this one's already 10. And now let me click on this, and then make sure that your lockbox is selected so it stays in proportion, and make that 10 wide. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click it and I'm going to send it to the back, and with it selected I'm going to go to my color selector. I'm going to go to orange, and now you'll see the magic. And that is how I would add color to this font. I would then take and I would cut this in black, or even like black glitter would be beautiful. And then this in orange, I would press the orange first, and then I would press this on top of it. And that's it. And it'll look fantastic. So if you have any questions, ask them in the video and below the video on YouTube, or ask them in the groups. I'm going to link our groups, Cricut and Silhouette for Beginners and Cricut for Beginners. Join us there. You'll fit right in. You'll love it. And I'll also link the font that I've used here. Have a good day. Bye.